this is Karen and I'm at the Oceanside Inn today. We're looking out for the pool area right onto Daytona Beach. This end of the beach is a little far away from where the pier is, so it doesn't get as crowded as if you're coming onto the main area down by Joe's Crab Shack. So lovely day today. We've got big waves. Everybody's out enjoying it without getting a big sunburn. But we're going to look across here. Now the building itself, they've been doing a lot of renovations too. They're going to have a whole new area inside as far as the lobby area. So there are virtual renderings I can send you of that. We've got a beautiful big pool area here. Lots of places to sit, relax, enjoy if you don't want to get sand in your suit. It is handicapped accessible too, but nice area. On the other side they have a kiddie pool, so if you've got little ones you don't have to worry about that. It certainly gives you a lot of options for relaxing on the sand or on a lawn chair while you dip your toes in the swimming pool. So we're going to come back around. They have several options here and with the Contels so that you can buy 2 or 3 rooms together, so you have a lot of extra space. You have kitchenettes. Very nice getaway. They have a rental program if you want to get involved in that or just keep it for yourself. Down here they've got a lot of nice landscaping. They've worked in some good plantings, some picnic areas so you can sit, have lunch, have your coffee, and enjoy the sounds of the ocean. It's easy access to get to the beach. They have a nice little walkway here that takes you out of where the tiki room will be someday and breakfast area once they get all the renovations done. So you've got just a few steps here going right down to the beach. And then again you've got some more, lots of these little sea turtles around. And nice little picnic tables. So plenty of space to enjoy the sights, sounds, and smells of Daytona Beach. And we're back at the other end. Certainly a beautiful day, but it's always a beautiful day in Florida. So that concludes our tour. Don't have lobby pictures, but if you'd like to see the virtual lobby photos, I'm happy to send those to you. Just call Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady, at 386-243-2000, and we hope to see you at the beach.